when this comes to you that Shah Rukh Khan's son is going to direct you, what was that initial thought like? Ki, wow.
I have met Aryan a couple of times and I've seen something in him before I even imagined him asking me to be directed by him. I could see this boy has so much fire and so much determination to achieve something in life. But he was a tough taskmaster.
I've heard.
Yeah.
That's, first call, first, how did you know, how did you come on board?
आर्यन गॉट टू नो कि मैं दुबई में हूं और वो भी दुबई में था उस टाइम पे। तो उसने फोन किया, उसने बोला कि अच्छा और तू शो भी कर रहा है? मैंने कहा यार ये बड़े कैजुअली बता रहा तू मेरे को, मेरी जिंदगी बदलने वाला तू इतनी बड़ी बात इतनी आसानी से बोल रहा है। शाहरुख खान का शो, आर्यन खान का शो, भाई साहब तू तो अपनी तो निकल पड़ी।
मैंने तो स्क्रिप्टेड कुछ पूछी नहीं, मैंने कहा भाई शाहरुख सर के साथ आर्यन के साथ काम करने का मौका मिलेगा।
स्क्रिप्ट मिली कहाँ में यार?
नहीं, फिर हमने रीडिंग की थी।
बहुत टाइम के बाद स्क्रिप्ट मिली है।
He has a crazy female fan following. We all had thought he'll be launched as an actor. Here he's a director. You tell me, like, you know, what? I would like to hear from the ladies also. What is he like?
He is a really sharp mind, very witty. He's great as a director, and I'm hoping the world sees that and appreciates that. But I think he's just lovely as a person, and you know how they say that an apple doesn't fall too far from the tree.
Right.
He's exactly like his father. Also the funniest person in any room.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
And he has this like mischief in his eyes.
Yeah.
You know, when he has a joke or something ready or like a thought, you can see it in his eyes, like he's dying to say it.
Does he smile? We have not seen that side of him.
He has a कैमरा के आगे स्माइलिंग फोबिया। वो कैमरा के आगे नहीं स्माइल करेगा, उसको बहुत पसंद है रहना। हाँ, लेकिन वो जनरली हमारे साथ बिल्कुल जैसे हम लोग लड़के लोग हैं ना, बिल्कुल शक्ल भी बनानी है। एक उसका बीच में वीडियो आया था जिसमें पता है वो गाड़ी में बैठ रहा था ऐसे पीछे टक 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 टक, तो वैसा ही है वो तो किसी ने कैमरे वो ही इज लाइक अ he has a very childlike energy in him. Still
he is a child.
हाँ, लेकिन वो सर वो कैमरे में क्या है, उसको आदत है कि मैं नहीं वो जो कि बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे और लड़कियों को भी।
Of course. When was the time you all met Shah Rukh while working on this? What was that like?
After I worked with him, I have spoken to Shah Rukh and I was just telling him how proud I feel, and I am sure how proud you would be to see the work your son has done, because it is such a stress for a father, you know, because we all want the best for our kids.
Guys, very exciting title for all of us. I've been wanting to do this interview, so very happy to be in this room with you all.
Thank you.
Right. I'll start with you. You know, this must be a different level of special for you because, you know, you and Shah Rukh go back such a long way. I've told you so many times what all the things that he says about you, even to us. I'm going to take you back. When this comes to you that Shah Rukh Khan's son is going to direct you, what was that initial thought like? Ki, wow.
See, basically, we both are from this industry, and we both have kids, and I know how important it is, and he knows how important it is when your children take their first step in any kind of profession.
Right.
And you want to be there for them as a friend, I'm the friend, the father, and I remember when I got the first phone call and Red Chillies called to say that there's a show that's being produced by them, which is being directed by Aryan Khan, and would you be interested? I said, I'm doing it. Because I know how it is, you know, it's not so easy, and that's how it all began. And I have met Aryan a couple of times and I've seen something in him before I even imagined him asking me to be directed by him, you know, and that itself felt so good when I had met him some time back, and I could see this boy has so much fire and so much determination to achieve something in life. From the conversation we had that one night at some get together, and then when I met him, he insisted that to narrate the whole storyline of the web series, which is like 7 episodes. So I sat with him for almost 7 hours, and I was just taken in by his conviction. You know, the way he was explaining and the way he went into the details of each character just made me realize this kid is going to make something special.
Right.
You know, and then eventually we started the work, and it was beyond that. You know, it was beyond what I imagined. The way he is what he's capable of as a director.
Right.
So it's been a great experience for me, especially because someone who's directing for the first time,
First time.
and someone who's so mature as a director. Because for a director, you have to experience a lot of things. For any person, an actor, director, you have to experience so much in life to understand emotions of every age group. And the way he has understood the emotions of every character in the film, be it Lakshya's father, I mean, you know, and Asman's father, sorry, and even all those people in the whole the way he's written it, the whole team of his has written and been a part of it. Yeah, but he was a tough taskmaster.
I've heard.
Yeah. He really made us. He tried to bring the best out of us.
Yeah. Ultimately,
And,
it's that. Yeah.
So it wasn't about him trying to. He wasn't confused. He just could see something that each of us could give him,
Okay.
and what he had written, he wanted that to come across, and so he made us do a lot of takes sometimes, and I think that whole experience was like a learning for all of us, because we as actors, we always somewhere get stuck with the thought that we know it.
You know, but yeah.
But then when someone pushes you, then you realize, no, oh shit, I never saw that
Correct.
I was capable of something more than that. So I
Interesting.
think that was the kind of experience I had working with him.
Right. To all of you, same thing. I'll start with you. That first call when it comes, today you all are a part of the show. You all have lived with it. But that first call must have been special for each one of you.
Yes. So I remember the first round of audition happened in August 2022. And then after that, there was a big gap, and then there was another round of auditions, 2-3 more rounds of auditions, and the final round of audition was taken by Aaron himself.
Okay.
And these were the most grueling, longest auditions ever. So I was really like hoping and praying that I get to play Karishma. And I remember when he called me, I was just, I mean, that memory is just so, I remember it so vividly in my head because I saw his name flashing on my phone and I was like, oh my God, is it for what I'm expecting it to be? And he's like, congratulations, your audition was really good and you're playing Karishma. And I was just like holding myself back consciously and not so that I didn't want to traumatize him by just screaming it on the phone. But I was very excited. I was really looking forward to the whole process and just collaborating with him. And I feel like, and also I remember that was a time in my life where I was auditioning for a lot of stuff and nothing was really materializing.
Right.
So I was like, not in the best phase, and so this, when it came along, it just felt like everything was aligned.
Right.
And now also when I think about it, I just feel like this huge wave of gratitude, and I've had the best experience on this.
Right. First call, how did you know? How did you come on board?
It's actually, it just happened यार. मतलब हमने जब किल की शूट चल रही थी तो उस दौरान ये इसका इंटरव्यू मेरे पास आया था. That's the time I auditioned for this role. और तब ये भी ऑडिशन दे रहा था बैट्स का साथ में. और हमें मालूम नहीं था कि ये भी सेम चीज के लिए ऑडिशन दे रहा है और मैं भी सेम शो के लिए ऑडिशन दे रहा हूँ.
ये मतलब मैं
ये मतलब
तो और किल में और कौन था भाई?
नहीं, मुझे लगा सब सो की
सर थोड़ी ना
कोई
किल
और
में
नहीं है।
यार. सो उस दौरान हमने साथ में इसका ऑडिशन दिया था. और कभी कभार आप जब मटेरियल पढ़ते हो या सीन्स पढ़ते हो, आपको एक ताल्लुकात, एक रिलेटेबिलिटी फील होती है, कनेक्शन फील होता है आपको मटेरियल के साथ, जो मुझे हुआ था पढ़ के, कि मैंने कहा यार ये आसमान का किरदार तो काफी नजदीक है मेरी निजी जिंदगी के साथ. तो थोड़ा वो एक हेल्प मिली मुझे थोड़ा समझने में उसकी दुनिया को. और जब ऑडिशन दिया, अच्छा गया ऑडिशन, काफी अच्छा गया, बट उसमें काफी, एज शी मेंशन्ड, के काफी समय लग रहा था उस चीज को मटेरियलाइज होने में. तो अब 31 दिसंबर का दिन था और मैं शायद दुबई में वेकेशन के लिए गया हुआ था. मेरे पास मेरे स्कूल फ्रेंड्स या कुछ कॉलेज के दोस्त आए हुए थे. तो आरएन गॉट टू नो कि मैं दुबई में, और वो भी दुबई में था उस टाइम पे. तो उसने फोन किया, उसने बोला कि क्या कर रहा है रात को. मैंने कहा कुछ नहीं भाई, मैं तो बस चिल कर रहा हूँ, दोस्त आए हैं मेरे.
मैं तो सोता हूँ.
हाँ. कह रहा आजा यार, कोई नहीं, रात को आजा, पार्टी करते हैं. मैंने कहा ठीक है, आता हूँ. अच्छा, और तू शो भी कर रहा है? मैंने कहा यार ये बड़े कैजुअली बता रहा, तू मेरे को मेरी जिंदगी बदलने वाला, तू इतनी बड़ी बात इतनी आसानी से बोल रहा है. तो तब वो उसको समय लगा, और जब पहला फिर मैंने फोन निकाला, फिर अपने पिताजी को फोन किया. मैंने कहा पापा वो जो शो था ना, वो मिल गया मेरे को. तो कहते यार शाहरुख खान का शो, आर्यन खान का शो, भाई साहब तो अपनी तो निकल पड़ी.
बाप बेटे की.
कह रहा भाई अपनी, कह रहा अभी तो निकल पड़ी अपनी, बढ़िया हो जाएगा सब यार. मैंने कहा हाँ यार, बहुत, बिकॉज समय बहुत लग गया ना यार. आप एंटिसिपेशन में बैठे हुए थे, आपने ऑडिशन दिया है, वो नहीं होता था एग्जाम दिया आपने, अब रिजल्ट आने वाला 3 महीने बाद. तो वो फीलिंग, मैंने कहा यार क्या हुआ होगा यार, कैसा हुआ होगा. और मुझे सुनने में भी आ रहा था कि और लड़के ऑडिशन कर रहे हैं इस चीज का. और लोग भी ऑडिशन कर रहे थे सामने।
पूरे मुंबई ने, पूरे रामनगर ने ऑडिशन किया था,
I
मेरे वाले
think so,
कैरेक्टर का तो
yeah.
किया
तो
वाला है।
मेरे कैरेक्टर का भी तो कोई और करने वाला था पहले।
हाँ,
पता नहीं मेरा ख्याल कहाँ से आया, पर आई गेस इट वाज मेंट टू बी।
अच्छा, इनके सर के सामने भी ऑडिशन दिए हमने, तो सर को एक बार बुलाया उन्होंने रीडिंग के लिए, याद है तुझे?
Yeah,
वो ऑडिशन का था, वो तो हम सब रीडिंग कर रहे थे।
तो आपने तो ऑडिशन ही ले लिया हमारा। ये ऐसे नहीं बेटा, ऐसे कर
हाँ,
लो।
नर्वस होते हो आप? नर्वस होते हो जब भी बॉबी देओल के सामने
ऑफ कोर्स यार, मतलब
मैं तो हुआ था फर्स्ट टाइम।
हुआ थे?
तो आर्यन ने पूरा सुना रखा है कि ऐसा ऐसा शो है और सर आ गए हैं।
हाँ।
अब आर्यन ने बोला हाँ करके दिखाओ। इसको, और मुझे बोला करके दिखाओ।
एक्टिंग कर।
मैंने हाँ एक्टिंग कर। मैंने कहा यार एक दूसरे को देखा हमने कहा करते हैं कुछ।
हाँ।
तो जितने भी हमने नर्वस थे, एक्साइटेड भी थे कि बॉबी सर सामने बैठे,
हाँ।
हमने की।
yeah.
अब बॉबी सर के चेहरे पे कोई एक्सप्रेशन ही नहीं, वो ऐसे देख रहे हैं बस। हमने यार अच्छा नहीं किया हमने यार, एक और बार करते हैं। फिर दूसरी बार हमने फिर से किया,
Yeah,
तब
but-
सर थोड़ा ना हंसे, फिर उनको खुशी हुई।
Bobby, tough to please, yeah. Like,
No, it's
No,
not.
thake हुए
It's
थे।
not tough to please. It's just that I could imagine what he went through because I remember
Correct.
when I started my career and I had to do scenes with like 5-7 actors who were like been in the industry forever, and I was nervous like hell too, you know. And that time I wasn't rehearsing; I was actually in front of the camera.
okay.
Because those days there was nothing like audition as such for, you know, you were just there
Workshop
and
and-
film. So I can understand what they went through. I mean, I didn't try to make them feel that way, but it's just the whole
But yeah,
thing.
it's aura sir, it's your presence. घबरा जाते हैं हम लोग।
Right. You tell me, first call, where was it? Where were you when
I
it
was
got
in
confirmed?
Bombay,
Hmm.
and like both of them have already told you that we started in August.
Right.
The first round was in August,
Hmm.
and then you kind of left it, right? You were just, but I held on to it in my head, and I was like, I kept calling Karan from Karan and Nandini. They are the casting directors, and I was like, "Kab pata chalega? What's happening?" And he's just like, "Abhi kuch nahi ho raha hai, yaar. I'll tell you when the next round happens." And Bilal, who is the writer, I didn't know he was the writer at the time. I bumped into him at a party. And he was talking about the show and the auditions, and I said, "Yeah, I'm doing it." I was not doing it. Nobody had called me. Nobody had told me. But in my head,
You
I
were
had
doing
decided
it,
that
yeah.
I'm doing it, and I
Manifested
just
it. Yeah.
and I think I very sincerely manifested being a part of the show,
Nice.
and that just kind of translated. So when I got that call, I was just. I don't know how to explain the
Yeah,
emotion.
true.
You're so
It is very
grateful. You're
special,
just,
yeah.
it's the best opportunity you've gotten.
True.
So we're happy.
True. You know, जब आप बोलते हो कि पूरे ऑलमोस्ट आराम नगर ने ऑडिशन किया, कितना लगता है कि यार मेरा होगा, चांस मिलेगा इसमें, नहीं मिलेगा, कितना आपको लग रहा था?
यार मैंने एक तो मैं बहुत सारे ऑडिशंस देता था, तो मैंने सोचना छोड़ देता हूँ मैं।
हाँ.
क्योंकि करण मली ने मुझे कॉल किया था,
हाँ.
नंदिनी एंड करण, बोला एक और ऑडिशन आया यार। मैंने कहा भेज, स्क्रिप्ट भेज दे कि वो उसके लिए है, शो के लिए है। मैंने कहा ठीक है भेज दे। तो मैंने 1-2 ऑडिशन और दिए थे मैंने उसके यहाँ उसी दिन, तो उसमें से एक ये था। फिर मुझे दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए डेट्स मैच नहीं हुई, तो इसमें मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया। करण ने फोन किया कि भाई तेरा हो गया है, और फिर मेरा डायरेक्टली रीडिंग में बुलाया मुझे। एक बार आर्यन से मिला, यस, कि सोच समझना था मुझे क्या है,
क्या था?
मेरा क्या है। उसने थोड़ा बहुत बताया कि भाई ये है रोल, ये है, ऐसा है, और इट्स अ कॉमेडी ह्यूमर, मतलब ह्यूमरस टेक है शो का पूरा। तो मैंने कहा हाँ यार मजा है, करते हैं। तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड था क्योंकि भैया मैंने तो स्क्रिप्टेड कुछ पूछी नहीं। मैंने कहा भाई शाहरुख सर के साथ, आर्यन के साथ काम करने का मौका मिलेगा।
स्क्रिप्ट मिली कहाँ है यार?
हाँ.
नहीं, फिर हमने रीडिंग की थी।
हमें बहुत टाइम के बाद स्क्रिप्ट मिली है।
नहीं, इसमें
और
तो
जब पढ़ी है उसके बाद तो जो हंस हंस के गिरे हैं हम लोग, जो पंचेस जोक्स थे। सर आप सर ने पढ़ी थी स्क्रिप्ट?
नहीं, मैंने पढ़ी नहीं थी, मुझे भी सुनाई थी।
अच्छा।
तो उसने इंसिस्ट किया था कि वो सुनाना चाहता
He
है।
prefers narration.
I prefer also narration.
पूरा वो प्रॉपर जो
He's a
जो
very good
enacts
narrator.
वो मेरा
also.
एंट्री शॉट है, पूरा इनैक्ट करके दिखाया उसने कि जो आपने देखा ना, जो ट्रेलर शॉट है वो पूरा उसने सबके सामने करके दिखाया है कि ऐसे एक बस लगाई, फिर एक छोटी ऐसे कुछ से ग्लास रखा, फिर उसने कहा कि ऐसे आएगा, ऐसे आएगा, ऐसे आएगा, फिर तो कूदेगा।
हाँ.
और मैं पहले कास्ट हो गया था, तो मेरे को मालूम था क्या होने वाला है। फिर बाद में जब ये लोग आए तब भी वो बताता था,
Right.
तो मुझे तो याद ही हो गया था वो
और
क्या।
थप्पड़ वाले सीन में वो खुद को भी थप्पड़ मारता है, उसकी आदत है। तू वहां पर आएगा, तू ऐसे वहां पर उठा, मैंने तो अपने आप को बस मारा भाई, मैं समझ गया आपको करना है, हमें ये सीन करना है। तो वो बड़ा ही कन्विक्शन के साथ बताता है जब सीन बताता है।
Right. Bobby, you've been ये ग्रुप में आपका सबसे ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है। कितना रियल लगता है कि ये सीन यार, ये तो हो चुका है, ये तो हम जानते हैं, तो इसके साथ हुआ, इसके साथ हुआ, कितना रियल लगता है शो?
Show ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। See, the whole thing about the show is not showing you, it's a fiction. It's not trying to say this is what is happening in the industry. It's showing you things that are influenced by what social media tells you about the industry. How they put you up and put you down. So it kind of brings those elements into the storytelling. At the same time, it is about any industry would go through all those manipulations and egoistic people and things like that. That's human nature.
Right.
So if you can't relate to the characters that because you're trying to show something else, then you won't relate because every human being is like that,
Right.
in any profession. So it's just showing you how it is handled in Bollywood.
Right. Fair enough.
And it has got emotion, it's got drama, it's got comedy, it's got sarcasm, it's got everything, you know, it's like that. So people are making fun of themselves
Yeah.
because it's just an ensemble of every kind of genres mixed together into making a very commercial Bollywood film.
Right.
Which is basically it is a Bollywood film cut into episodes.
Correct. Yeah.
You can watch this on a big screen, you'll even enjoy it more because
Right.
it's made in that lavish, large scale. You know? That's the kind of show it is.
Right. You know, the guys have spoken about Aryan. There, he has a crazy female fan following. We all had thought he'll be launched as an actor. Here, he's a director. You tell me, like, you know, what? I would like to hear from the ladies also. What is he like?
He is a really sharp mind, very witty. And I think what helped us, in the show is that he's very clear with his vision. He's very clear what he wants. Other than that, I mean, he's great as a director, and I'm hoping the world sees that and appreciates that. But I think he's just lovely as a person, and you know how they say that an apple doesn't fall too far from the tree.
right.
He's exactly like his father, very chivalrous. He's an amazing person, really sensitive. He understands you, and also the funniest person in any room.
Really? Oh,
Yes.
that's great. See, these are the things people will find out through these interviews. We don't get to meet him or talk to him. So yeah, you also tell me, what did you observe?
Just like she said, he's extremely respectful.
Right,
He's
that's-
very inviting to your ideas and your thoughts. It's not like मैंने ऐसे लिखा है तो आपको ऐसे ही करना है. No, he'll talk to you about it. He'll be like, हाँ, okay, fine, that also makes sense. Or why that doesn't make sense. He's extremely observant, and he has this like mischief in his eyes.
Yeah.
You know, when he has a joke or something ready or like a thought, you can see it in his eyes, like he's dying to say it. But then after cut, he like, go ahead. He's very warm. And I think just how normal he was made us feel invited and easy on his set. Like it was our set, but you never felt any different because he was an Aryan Khan.
Right.
He was just
That's
like one of
important.
us.
Right. You know, from what, like, say, Bobby explained that, you know, if he's asking for more takes, it is for the betterment of
Yeah.
the shot eventually. आपने क्या सोचा था before meeting him? Did you know him from before?
No.
Or before meeting him, क्या सोचा था? What will he be like?
See, before meeting him, of course, I thought that whatever जो हम सब सोचते हैं कि यार थोड़ा सा हंसता नहीं है, रिजर्व रहता है, अपने आप में रहता है, वो परसेप्शन था मुझे इसके बारे में. और एक दो बार इंटरेक्शन हमारी बहुत ही ब्रीफली हुई थी सोशल इवेंट्स पे, बट ऐसी बातचीत नहीं हुई थी. तो जब मैंने सीन भी पढ़ा था, मुझे लगा कि काफी सीरियस होने वाला है शो, काफी इसके अंदर ना एक एक्टर की जर्नी अच्छे से दिखाई जाएगी, एक सिंसेरिटी के साथ, एक सेंसिटिविटी के साथ जो है. लेकिन जो आसपास की जो दुनिया क्रिएट की है वो सब उसके दिमाग में चल रही थी ऑलरेडी. जो मस्ती है, जो खुराफात है, जो जोक्स हैं, जो ह्यूमर है, मैं आई वाज ब्लोन अवे. मेरे को लगा, आई टोल्ड माय फ्रेंड्स, आई टोल्ड माय फादर, मैंने कहा पापा वो बहुत अलग है, वो तो हम जैसा लौंडा ही है वो.
Yeah, we have not seen that
He's a
side,
boy's
so
boy.
that's
Yeah, he's a
great.
boy's boy. Like in spite of being a privileged kid and whatever you
Yeah.
call him, he knows both the worlds so well. He knows my world from where I come. He knows his world very well. So that's what you see in the show as well. कि दो दुनिया जो आप आसमान की है और एक दुनिया करिश्मा की है, उसको बखूबी जानता है वो. उसके ups and downs वो समझता है, इमोशन समझता है. तो वो सब मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि उसको इतनी इसके बारे में इंटेलिजेंस और सेंसिटिविटी उसको है.
Right.
So, yeah.
Which is the cameo that you all are personally looking forward to? Each one of you. कौन सा एक cameo है जो like I want to see that? Yeah.
There's not one,
are
all
many.
of them.
सभी ऐसे हैं.
Yeah.
Because you'll enjoy each and every one
Yes.
of them. They bring out something which you'll enjoy and remember and talk about.
Right.
It's not just one person
Right.
per se.
Okay. Lastly, when was the time you all met Shah Rukh while working on this? What was that like? That is special, and it will be special for, I'm sure, each one of you.
I met him during the puja day, right? All of us
Okay.
at Racheli's office. That was the first time I met him, and he was like always really warm. And that also, you grow up admiring somebody on screen, and then you see this person in real life, and they're even more amazing in real life. So what I felt for
Right.
SRK.
Or wait, did you all have a father-to-father conversation that you...
I mean, yeah, I mean, after I worked with him, I have spoken to Shah Rukh, and I was just telling him how proud I feel, and I am sure how proud you would be to see the work your son has done, because it is such a stress for a father, you know, because we all want the best for our kids.
Right.
And I told him, I said, this kid of yours is going to go way beyond, you know. He's not going to be under your shadows.
That's
He is
a very
something
big
else.
statement, yeah.
It is. He is something else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think when he was showing us how to do the scenes, even me, because he's so mature, he was understanding every age group's
Right.
emotions. He would enact and show it, and it was just, I just look at him, I said, yeah. To myself, I'm saying, he should be in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Because he would do each character, you know, and it's just amazing.
Did you tell him he should be in front of the
I told him
camera?
when the first teaser came out, I said, you know, when I was seeing the first teaser of yours, I was thinking to myself, I said, you should have been in the show as an actor,
Right.
you know.
Right.
And it's amazing.
Does he smile? We have not seen that side of him.
He has a कैमरा के आगे स्माइलिंग फोबिया. वो कैमरा के आगे नहीं स्माइल करेगा, उसको बहुत पसंद है
Cut होएगा फिर
रहना,
उसका.
हाँ. लेकिन वो जनरली हमारे साथ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जैसे हम लोग लड़के लोग हैं ना, बिल्कुल शक्ल भी बनानी है. एक उसका बीच में वीडियो आया था जिसमें पता है वो गाड़ी में बैठ रहा था ऐसे पीछे टक 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 कर, तो वो वैसा ही है. वो तो किसी ने कैमरे, वो ही इज लाइक अ, he has a very childlike energy in him. Still
He is a child.
हाँ, लेकिन वो सर वो कैमरे में क्या है, उसको आदत है कि मैं नहीं, वो जो कि बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे और लड़कियों को भी.
Of course.
तो मैंने उसे बोला एक दिन, तेरे को मैं एक दिन हंसाऊंगा जरूर कैमरे के आगे. नो नो डोंट डू दैट. तो उसका है, तो मैं जब भी उससे मिलता हूँ और वो तो कैमरा आ गया, मैं तो बोलूंगा तेरे को हंसाऊंगा, देख मैं पक्का.
So far, you have not managed that.
But also no, not yet. I tried once.
Even if he does, those photos are never getting out.
क्या है यार? We want to see Aryan Khan's smile.
Yeah.
Right, guys. Lastly, this is coming on Netflix. Do you want to tell people?
Netflix, yeah.
Yeah, please. कितने कंट्रीज में कौन देख सकता है बताओ, हमको पता ही नहीं है.
190 कंट्रीज में हमारी शक्लें देखेंगे लोग यार.
अरे वाह.
शक्लें
अच्छा क्या चाहिए, because of Netflix. I feel so proud that I'm like मैं Netflix पे आ रहा हूँ.
Right. Guys,
शो भी तो आ रहा है.
हाँ, शो भी आ रहा है, कब आ रहा है, डेट भी बता दो. हाँ.
So 18 सितंबर हमारा शो है.
Yes.
Bads of Bollywood.
Bads of
As a
Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Best of luck, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.